Welcome! In front of me I have Xiaomi Watch 2 Pro and I'm gonna show you how to edit the tiles menu or customize the tiles menu on this watch. First, let me show you how to open or enter the tiles menu on this watch. To do it, wake up the screen on your watch by tapping on the screen or pressing any of the buttons. After you wake up the screen, you should see the current watch face, the home screen, and you can swipe left or right on the screen to scroll through the list of tiles. And this is the tiles menu. Basically, you have different tiles. That's how the Google calls them. I would call them widgets, basically. And we have weather, workouts, sleep, HR, and SPO2, and stuff like that. And we can customize this menu a little. To do it, press and hold off on one of the tiles to open the editing mode. And here we can do a couple of things. We can add a tile, remove a tile, and change the order of the tiles. To add the tile, scroll all the way to the right, tap on Add Tiles, scroll through the list, find the tile you want to add, for example, alarm clocks, and then tap on it to select it, and the tile will be added to the list. To remove the tile from the list, find the tile you want to remove, and once you find it, tap on the Remove button under it, and it will be removed from the list. And if you want to change the order of the tiles, I believe you need to press and hold on one. So let's say, for example, let's move the SPO2, and to move it, hold it, drag it to the place you want it to be in, and once you find it, release it like that. And once you're done editing the tile menu, press the crown button to go back to watch face, and now when you scroll through the tiles, you will see that the changes applied. You can also do this through the phone application if your watch is paired with a phone. So I'm gonna move this to the side, bring the phone here, zoom out the camera so you can see the whole screen, like this. And now on the phone that is paired with our watch, we can open the Mi Fitness application. In the app, we can tap on device, scroll through the device page, and here we can find the option called Manage Tiles. And in this menu, we can again add new tile if you want to. Was it added? No. Why not? Oh, okay, we need to select it to add and then tap on the check mark like this. Now it's added. As you can see, we can remove the tile by tapping on the bin icon right here, selecting the tile you want to remove, and it's gonna disappear. Then we can tap on the check mark, and you can change the order of the tiles by pressing and holding on the sorting button next to one, like that, and then you can drag it to the place you want it to be in, and once you drop it, it will move. So if you go to the tiles, you will see that the changes applied. And of course you can close the app after that. And that's how you customize or change the tile menu on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.